Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 48. Adrenal gland in man is situated above the A. Brain, B. Heart, C. Kidney, D. Pancreas, and E. Stomach. Now the adrenal gland is also known as the suprarenal gland. And this name is divided into the supra and the renal. Supra here meaning above, and renal here meaning kidney. So in other words, the adrenal gland simply means what? It is above the kidney. Now it is represented this way. Let's take for instance, we have the kidney. This is the kidney. Then we have the suprarenal gland or the adrenal gland on the kidney like this. Now this is the adrenal gland. So in man, the adrenal gland is located above the kidney, and that is option C, above the kidney. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.